welcome back. My name is Kayla from the YouTube channel Panko Bunny, and today we're making lemon Quincy shortbread. The shortbread is so delicious and it just has like that little hint of salt plus the most delicious lemon flavor, and they're really easy to make. So let's get started. Okay, so first to make the shortbread, we are going to beat the butter with an electric mixer until it's light and fluffy. Add some confectioner sugar and beat until fluffy. Then add some vanilla extract, some lemon extract, and some freshly grated lemon zest and beat until combined. In a separate bowl, combine some flour and salt. Add this to the butter mixture and mix until the dough sticks together when pinched with your fingers. Dye 3/4 of the dough yellow. Then divide the remaining dough in half, leave one of those halves white and dye the other half black. Roll the dough out on a generously floured surface until it's 1/4 inch thick. Cut out rounds with a 3-inch round cookie cutter. Then use a knife to lift the cookies from the surface and transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Use your hands to mold the white and black dough into Quincy's eyes, pupils, stripes, and antenna. Then stick these onto the yellow cookies. Bake the cookies at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the edges of the cookies are just starting to brown. Cut some mini marshmallows in half lengthwise with scissors, then dab some water onto the cookies and stick the marshmallows sticky side down onto the cookies to look like Quincy's teeth, and you are done. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. If you have requests for any other cookies that are shaped like your favorite characters, definitely let me know what characters you would like to see in the comments down below. And if you're new to this channel and you would like to see more Best Fiends treats, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you are looking for some more recipe ideas, head on over to my channel, which is youtube.com/pankobunny. I am baking all the time there, so there are a ton of recipe ideas for you there. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye!